Next up, an anime I wish never stopped. D-Gray Man. Imagine losing someone you love and being offered the chance to bring them back. Sounds like a dream, right? Wrong. The Millennium Earl exploits grief itself, turning resurrected souls into living weapons called Akuma, machines powered by human suffering. Enter Alan Walker, our protagonist. Alan joins the Black Order, a group of exorcists fighting to destroy Akuma and stop the Earl's twisted plans. But D-Gray Man doesn't rush anything. It sits with pain, with guilt, and it shows you the cost of fighting monsters when monsters are made from people. It's gothic and surprisingly tender for a battle anime. If you like your shonen with a side of tragedy and religious horror, D-Gray Man is going to be the anime for you, and the one that I think is long overdue for a remake.